It's a nice and foggy morning. I'm free and let's do some upgrades on the car. First one today, there's going to be a few of them, is the sun visor cover with the stoppers, which is now a great add-on. I don't know if in the past they were supplied. If they were, I stand corrected, of course, but this is a quite important step, so I'm happy to have this. And these are the two babies which we are going to put in the car today. So nice texture finish, what I love. Straightforward, fast install. Basically the only thing which I would say in this given moment is that when screwing this screw in, tread carefully. Don't over screw it, because we don't want this plastic to break. Okay? Like just presenting it a bit. I really love this gradual finish, and it's not just so smooth, that it has the original structure. So let's install this one. Uninstall this one in the car, and then let's install it back. Okay, so let's deinstall the vanity mirror. The first step is, of course, to unhook it here, and afterwards we have to remove this screw. So I extended it a bit out. Afterwards, removing the screw, we can unhook this one, which we're going to replace. We now have a second screw, which is here. Be careful when unscrewing this screw, the complete assembly will fall off, so hold it and unscrew this one, and then gently pry it, gently, a bit down and out, and then it should come out. We're on desk. What we want is to exchange this one. There are some maneuvers where you can pull this in the car out, but you have to go up, something left, right, and through all of my experience, all of them were stuck. So, next thing we have to do in order to replace this one is to remove this washer. You can destroy it, just the washer, because you get two new ones at Octo. So I will not be gentle, I will be just cutting this one off, then this assembly will come off, and then you can slide this one, the new one, in. Afterwards you mount this one back and push the stopper inside. So I'm gonna do that, and then we're going to install it back. Okay, so we're in the car. This is some hydraulic oil residue, so maybe if you would like, you can clean it up, and afterwards we install back the visor. So, an important thing, the visor has to be extended, the new part away, and now we have to catch this one in the hole up here. So let's do that. And we have to get the hole. Okay, so it's in, and now the holes will be aligned. Then we go firstly the left screw. In this situation you're still holding the visor with the hand. Okay, so we have this one in, and now what I like to do is install or just push it here. This is the situation now. I didn't yet hook it, but in any case you need to be careful about one thing. There is a part, this one here, which goes inside. So let's do that. First I go, okay, it's not cooperating, so you go in, and that should be it. Then we screw this one and we're done. One thing for screwing this one, don't go all Mortal Kombat fatality on it. Don't overscrew it. When you start to feel some tension, screw it firmly, but if you will go over the tension when you feel the screw resisting, you will probably break the inside part, and we don't want that, do we? That's that.